in the passenger seat on booster bike. Vekoma booster bike here at Toverland.
And it's absolutely hammering it down, ladies and gentlemen.
Installed in 2004, it uses a hydraulic launch to push the train forwards, and then it goes up, and then it does a few turns, and then it comes back. Are you excited, fans?
I know I am.
We're going to do it in the rain, just for you, fans.
The fact Troy's running in this rain is madness.
Yeah, but Troy will be running really well in this rain. Once the track gets wet, that'll be cheeky.
Woo! Best water ride of the day, let's go!
I think we're going
Oh,
to...
this is gonna hurt.
Oh man, look at that.
Guys, I just want to say, this is really gonna hurt, but I love you all, and I wouldn't pick anyone else to be with right now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh Jesus! Woo!